Welcome to my presentation. In this presentation, let us look at some examples related to difference of two squares. And in this example, let us say we want to factor a polynomial which is given to us as w raised to the power of 4 minus 81. Okay, so that is what that is the polynomial we have, and then we will try to break it down into these simple steps. Step number 1, we want to write w to the power of 4 as a square. So we can write this one as w to the power of 2, the whole thing raised to the power of 2, isn't it? We are using one of the formulas of exponents, one of the rules of exponents. The rules of exponents is telling us that if we have an exponent and if that exponent is raised to another exponent, we can multiply the exponents, multiply the powers. So w to the power of 2, the whole thing raised to the power of 2 will be w to the power of 4. So we can use that here, w raised to the power of 2, the whole thing raised to the power of 2. And then 81 I can write as 9 times 9, and 9 times 9 I can write as 9 to the power of 2. So therefore minus 9 to the power of 2, like that. And now this is beginning to look like a squared minus b squared, isn't it? So in here, a squared minus b squared, we can write this one as the sum of the base terms times the difference of the base terms. And since we have w to the power of 2, the whole thing raised to the power of 2 minus 9 squared, in here a for us is w to the power of 2, b for us is 9. So if I wait to open up two sets of parentheses like that, I can write w to the power of 2 and 9, w to the power of 2 and 9, put a positive sign in the first set of parentheses, put a negative sign in the second set of parentheses, and we are done. This is the factored form of a w to the power of 4 minus 81. But by looking at this one more time, we see that w to the power of 2 minus 9 can be further expanded, and the way to do that is as follows. In here, 9 is a perfect square. 9 I can write as 3 times 3, and therefore I can express that as 3 to the power of 2 in terms of an exponent. So therefore w to the power of 2 minus 3 to the power of 2, I can expand that one as w plus 3 times w minus 3, and then the term which is in front of that is w to the power of 2 plus 9. W to the power of 2 plus 9, the sum of two squares is a prime number, is a prime term. We cannot simplify that any further. It is not a we can only find the difference of two squares. We cannot find the sum of two squares. The sum of two squares is a prime term. So therefore we're going to leave it alone, and therefore this is the factored form of the expression of the given polynomial w to the power of 4 minus 81. So this is the factored form of the given polynomial. In my next presentation, we shall look at some more examples to see how we can find the difference of two squares.